Founded in 1931 to promote international scientific activity in the different branches of science for the benefit of humanity, the International Council of Scientific Unions, or ICSU, represents the evolution and expansion of the International Association of Academies, IAA, 1899 to 1914, and the International Research Council, IRC, 1919 to 1931. In 1998, members agreed to modify the Council's name to International Council for Science, while retaining the existing acronym ICSU or ICSU to reflect the rich history and strong identity associated with it. ICSU has a global membership comprising 107 national scientific members, 29 international scientific unions, and 20 interdisciplinary bodies. ICSU plans and coordinates interdisciplinary research to address major issues of relevance to both science and society. It helps create international and regional networks of scientists with similar interests and maintains close working relationships with several intergovernmental and non-governmental organizations. Over the years, ICSU has developed and initiated many notable events, including the International Geophysical Year 1957 to 1958, the International Biological Program 1964 to 1974, the Summit on the Information Society WSIS 2003 and 2005, and the forthcoming International Polar Year 2007 to 2008. Acting as an advisor in matters ranging from ethics to the environment, ICSU has always strived to fulfill the strategic objectives of its vision. A world where science is used for the benefit of all, excellence in science is valued, and scientific knowledge is effectively linked to policy making. ICSU acts as an important catalyst for international research through its unique ability to access global intellectual resources. With financial support from intergovernmental organizations and foundations, ICSU promotes numerous projects and programs. ICSU will subsequently support the development of appropriate program plans or frameworks. The actual research funding, as in the case of the Global Change programs or the International Polar Year, amounting to billions of euros, is provided mainly by national research funding agencies. As the move towards a global knowledge society accelerates, it becomes very important for all countries to have a thriving scientific community that contributes to national and international research and development. In 2002, ICSU moved to establish 4 regional offices in an effort to ensure that the voice of developing countries is heard in the setting up of international research agendas, and that scientists from the South are fully involved in international research. The first ICSU regional office was inaugurated in 2005 in Pretoria, South Africa, and the second is being inaugurated today in Malaysia. Other regional offices will be established to serve Latin America and the Caribbean and the Arabian region. With the inauguration of this second regional office, Malaysia is set to play a leading role in the advancement of science and technology in Asia and the Pacific, as stipulated in the 9th Malaysia Plan. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MOSTI, is indeed proud and honored to be the host to the new ICSU Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific that's located at the Academy of Sciences, Malaysia. With the strong support of the Malaysian government, the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation through the Academy of Sciences Malaysia will work hand in hand with the ICSU Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific to ensure that scientists from all over the region will be fully involved in scientific research in matters of global significance. Malaysia and ICSU, strengthening international science for the benefit of society, now and in the future.